When it comes to choosing the right iPhone model, there are a few key factors to consider. First and foremost, your budget will play a significant role in determining which model is right for you. The latest iPhone models tend to be on the pricier side, so if you're looking to save some money, you may want to consider purchasing an older model or opting for a refurbished device. Another important consideration is the features that are important to you. Do you need a phone with a large screen, or are you more concerned with having the latest camera technology? Are you a heavy user who needs a phone with a long battery life, or do you primarily use your phone for texting and calling? Make a list of the features that are most important to you and prioritize them when choosing a model. Camera quality is another key factor to consider when choosing an iPhone model. If you're someone who loves taking photos and videos, you'll want to opt for a model with a high-quality camera. The latest iPhone models typically have advanced camera technology, including multiple lenses and improved low-light performance. However, if you're not as concerned with camera quality, you may be able to save some money by choosing a model with a less advanced camera. In addition to budget, features, and camera quality, you'll also want to consider the size and design of the iPhone model. Some people prefer larger phones with more screen real estate, while others prefer smaller phones that are easier to hold and use with one hand. Think about how you use your phone on a daily basis and choose a model that fits your needs. Finally, don't forget to consider the storage capacity of the iPhone model you're considering. If you're someone who likes to download a lot of apps, games, and media, you'll want to opt for a model with a larger storage capacity. On the other hand, if you primarily use cloud storage or stream media, you may be able to get by with a model with less storage. In conclusion, choosing the right iPhone model is a personal decision that will depend on your budget, features, camera quality, size, design, and storage needs. Take the time to research and compare different models to find the one that best fits your lifestyle and preferences. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button to get a notification for more exciting videos, tips, and tricks.